What if I told you that your lack of sleep is silently destroying your mind? What if every night you stay awake, your body is aging faster than it should? What if the thing stealing your energy, killing your memory, and weakening your immune system is something you can't see, can't touch, but feel every single night? Why do you keep waking up tired, even after sleeping for 8 hours? Why do millions of people struggle to fall asleep, no matter how exhausted they are? And what if the solution isn't in pills, medication, or prescriptions, but in small, natural changes your grandmother probably knew? Why you aren't sleeping. Let's face it, the world is tired. But why? Why do so many people have sleepless nights? Because your body is constantly fighting. Stress hormones that refuse to switch off. Overstimulation from screens. Late-night thoughts that spiral into anxiety. A confused internal clock. And a nervous system stuck in survival mode. When your body can't relax, you can't sleep. But the good news? You can retrain it naturally. What is actually happening in your body? When you struggle to sleep, your brain stops producing enough melatonin, your natural sleep hormone. Your muscles stay tense. Your thoughts stay active. Your heartbeat doesn't slow down. But that's not the scariest part. Your body begins to break down. Memory weakens. Stress rises. Weight increases. Immunity drops. Mood becomes unpredictable. This is what constant sleeplessness is doing to you. How to fix it naturally. Now let's talk about how to fix it without pills or chemicals. These are science-backed natural methods that reset your body, calm your brain, and restore deep sleep. 1. Magnesium, the calm mineral. Helps relax muscles, lower stress, and trigger melatonin production. 2. Chamomile tea. Contains apigenin, a natural sedative that tells your brain it's time to shut down. 3. Lavender. Just smelling lavender can slow down your nervous system and reduce anxiety. Use it as essential oil, pillow spray, diffuser aroma. 4. Melatonin, natural source. Boosts your sleep cycle and helps regulate your internal clock. 5. Valerian root. Acts like nature's gentle sleeping pill without addiction. 6. Sleep-friendly diet. Eat foods that produce serotonin and melatonin naturally. Almonds, bananas, warm milk, kiwi, oats. What you eat at night determines how you sleep. What to do every night. The routine that fixes everything. If you truly want your sleep back, this is what to do every single night. The ultimate natural sleep routine. Step 1. Shut down screens 1 hour before bed. Your phone is killing your melatonin. Step 2. Make your room cold and dark. Your body sleeps deeper in cool temperatures. Step 3. Take magnesium or chamomile tea. Let your muscles unwind. Step 4. Use lavender or a calming aroma. Signal your brain, relax. Step 5. Practice deep breathing for 2 minutes. This forces your heart and brain into sleep mode. Step 6. Stick to a bedtime schedule, even on weekends. Your brain loves routine. So the next time you lie awake, ask yourself, is it stress? Is it lifestyle? Or is it my body begging for the natural things it has been missing for years? You don't need sleeping pills. You don't need prescriptions. You need balance. The balance your body was designed for. Sleep is not a luxury. It's your survival. If you want Part 2, How to Reset Your Sleep in 48 Hours, comment "Sleep Now" below.